with a bad hand, got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Tread light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin.
Hi, what's on YouTube? It's Dom here from Payday Pickups, and I'm back with another video, and I am gassed. First of all, the day I'm filming this, it is actually my birthday, so I am 23 now. And also, I've got a package for you. I'm so excited to show you this, and to be honest, it is probably my biggest ever brand deal. So like, I'm so gassed, and it's all thank you to you lot. So huge thank you to everyone that has been subscribed to this channel for the whole journey, like whether you're new, whether you're an old subscriber. I appreciate you all so much, and I wouldn't be in this position if it wasn't for you lot. So the package right here, I'm gonna show you it. It is from the brand Puma. So as you can see, we have this fat package right here, Puma X JD, and it is a new pair of trainers. And the reason why this means so much to me and why I'm so gassed is, if you didn't know me, I actually used to work at Puma. So I was working at Puma for 2.5 years, and as you can still see, I still have the Puma staff t-shirt. As you can see, the Puma right there. And I also have the Puma hoodie, look, as you can see, staff. So I used to work in their retail outlet store in Cheshire Road. So from going from working as an employee to now working with Puma is like insane. I kind of want to show and motivate you that anyone can like achieve your dreams if you work hard. I'm not being a motivational speaker here, but I'm just so happy. Like, I can't believe it. Like when I got that email, like I just was like, this is insane. Like, this is insane. So I'm gonna today shoot a whole content with this shoe, but before we jump into the vlog, I want to jump into the unboxing and show you this mad design of the sneaker as well as this crazy packaging. So for my fit on the bottom, we've got the Puma RSO Unique Collection shoes. As you can see, we have the nice hits of red and yellow. So I thought I'd match it up with this McDonald's jacket. The nice, beautiful, bright colors matches really well with the shoes. Standout piece. And then I thought, keep it nice and simple at the back. We just have this black Harley Davidson t-shirt, simple black tee underlaying. And then for last, to finish it off, we have these minimal LA black cargo pants. The nice cuffing at the bottom will tighten it and show off the shoes really nicely. And it puts the main eyesight on the jacket or on the shoes. So let's jump into the shooting. So right now we are heading into the city centre. I'm gonna hit up the Northern Quarter and do some vintage shopping and hopefully find like some like colourful little spot where I can shoot the Puma shoes. If you're wondering why I've changed outfit, usually when I'm shooting something new, I don't want to get it wrecked at all. And surprisingly today in Manchester, it's actually quite sunny, so it's hot for my birthday. And mad, I'm 23, like, still got a baby face. The other day I got ID'd for a flipping energy drink, so that's for 16-year-olds. But yeah, thank you for all the birthday messages and head on to the Northern Quarter.
Look, wave, tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plan.
It's pretty hard to vlog in here because of the music and obviously wearing a face mask, but I'm currently in the changing rooms. I've got 3 different pieces.
I know I'm from England, but this vintage Germany top is so sick. Look at the details and the colour. Some green just track pants, vintage shell pants, and then this vintage 80s Adidas t-shirt, nice blue. Love the stripes and the details. It's kind of like a tennis ball waffle material.
Niggas give a subtle love, crazy. They hella shaky on that really, but that's fake. Shit, see through the shade. Shit, they so unstable. Done waiting, I'ma wind the lust. I'm really going all the way to places. Never thought I'd take.
So the track pants is a definite cop. They have like the zippers at the bottom, so you can either wear them tapered or baggy. They fit really nicely, sit nicely, like they're not too baggy and not too loose, so definitely gonna cop them. Only £12 too. I don't even know what brand they are. I think it's just some random like ski sportswear brand, but no one's gonna care. The branding's like completely blacked out, so you can't see it.
I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Tread light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin.
So just found the blue version of my green Umbro shorts that all you keep asking about. These ones are a bit too bright for me, and they're only going for £18, so quite a cheap price.
Are we really onto something? Cause jealous niggas give a subtle love. Crazy, they hella shaky on that really, but that's fake. Shit, see through the shade. Shit, they so unstable. Done waiting, I'ma wind the lust. I'm
just finished up at the first spot, managed to pick up 3 pieces, the vintage Germany top, a tactical vest and them green track pants. So we're gonna head on to the next vintage store, it's called Cow.
You don't have to let the money come between us. No, they're not even capable to feel us. Yeah. Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza? Yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people. Yeah. Oh my God.
Genuinely didn't consider how hard it is to vlog with a mask on. Like, you literally just can't vlog in the shops now. Like, you probably can't even hear me if I've got this over my mouth, so I can only pretty much vlog when I'm outside.
Come tell me what I wanna hear right now. I don't know how I get lit with the lights out. All the things on the rap, you gon' find out. 2 a.m. still working on my night out. Got me going young, rolling when I pull it to the crib. I was toking, I was smoking, I was rolling at the piff. Wasn't joking, no you know it, now my energy you miss. Yeah, now my energy you miss. I can't.
Literally my childhood. Game Boy Color, Advance SP, all the games. GameCube, DS.
Things that I probably shouldn't say. Lights off when I pull up to the place. 140, I don't wanna make you wait. No, I would do anything to see your face. I need a little you cause everyone is fake. I ain't stopping like I don't even.
So just finished up at Affleck's Palace. You weren't really allowed to film in there that much, which is why there's not much content, but I managed to get 2 Adidas. I got an Adidas equipment and an 80s Adidas sweatshirt, £20 each, so steal. I tried to get a ring too, I wanted a Harley Davidson ring, they didn't have my size. And then the other piece, that vintage Reebok leather jacket, was like insane, but £90, I didn't bite the bullet. So now I've done quite a lot of vintage shopping. We are gonna go find a location to shoot the new Puma sneakers. I'm gonna try and find 2 different locations to give them as much content as possible. Try and go for around 20 to 30 different photos. And I'm gonna try and look for something a bit plain. The first background, I wanna try and find something like completely black that'll make the shoes pop really nicely, as well as the jacket. And then the second location, I have this car park in mind. It's got some really cool architecture, and I kind of planned it out, so hopefully the photos will bang. We are at the location for shooting. I found this like car park, has some cool architecture, looks really nice, clean background so it makes the colours pop of the jacket as well as the Puma shoes. So we're going to do a variety of different poses and get a load of different shots, as much content as possible for Puma, so let's jump into it. So just finished shooting the Puma shoes in the 2 different locations. Honestly, I thought the second location would be better, but turned out the first one was the best. And we've got a selection of shots. Honestly, the kicking shot was so hard to get, took so many tries. But now we finished that, I'm quite hungry, so we're gonna head into the Arndale Centre to this place called Salt and Pepper Manchester. Honestly, you have to go. It's only £6 for a dish, and it is so good. So I beg you, if any of you come to Manchester, come to the Arndale and come to Salt and Pepper. So we're full. Salt and Pepper Manchester. Your best food, like, look at that. How sticky the food is, the sesame's banging. £6 as well, that's it. And if you're needing any recommendations, if you're a prawn lover, you have to get one of these. Like, look at the juices, this sticky soy. It just hits differently. So just finished eating lunch and now we're gonna head to this sneaker store. It's called Kirsch's Kicks. I've definitely shown it before. If you haven't seen my video on best places to shop in Manchester, definitely go check it out. It's a sneaker reselling shop and it has pretty much everything from like all the Travis Scott shoes, all Off-White, Supreme, Palace. So we're gonna see what we can find and just show you, because honestly, it's probably one of the best sneaker stores in Manchester. apartment. A very successful shopping day as well as shooting day. Huge shout out Puma once again for their new Unity collection sneakers. Absolutely love how the shots came out. Let me know which was your personal favourite shot in the comment section down below. And now to go over the pickups from today. I think I've got 5 different pieces in total, so pretty successful day. So from the second place, we got 2 vintage sweatshirts. We got the grey Adidas equipment, nice charcoaly grey, beautiful details on the neck. And then on the sleeve, unfortunately, it's a little bit too small for me, so I'll probably have to sell. And then this, I think it's an 80s Adidas piece, so it has the white Adidas tag. This is when it's really old. I think it's actually early 90s. And then it's got a bit of bobbling on it, so I need to trim it a bit. But it's got a load of nice, bright and vibrant colours. We've got like the royal blue, the light blue, the white and the turquoise. And then as you saw from the first shot, I ended up buying this shirt in the end. It was £60, so quite expensive. It is like the 1992 Germany kit t-shirt, the beautiful details on the neck as well as on the back, and I absolutely love the colour. I wish it was a size large, but it's a medium, but I still think it's a beautiful piece, and if I end up not liking it, I'll probably just sell it and then buy the large. The green track pants or shell pants, £12, are really cheap. And then last of all, we have the khaki kind of army coloured gilet, but once again in £12. So I'm gonna finish the vlog there. Let me know what was your favourite pickup out of the 5 pieces. My personal favourite was probably the Germany t-shirt. Like, I've never actually seen one of them in person. They're really rare to come across, especially in that good condition. And let me know what you thought of all the shots as well. And let me know if you want to see me do some more vlogs. Like, obviously when I was in America, I was vlogging all the time. But now I've been back home, I've not really been vlogging because the whole COVID stuff, I've not been up to like too much. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs though, because I do really enjoy them and you get to know me a little bit better. And if you made it this far, then huge thank you to everyone. And if you are not subscribed yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also put on that notification bell. Be sure to follow me on my Instagram. It is @DomHadley_. It's where I post all my recent fits, my pickups. It's basically a daily vlog. And if you're into men's fashion, be sure to check out the rest of my videos. I do like how-to styles, lookbooks, trips to the thrifts, ways to make money, fashion photography. Have a nice day, and I'll see you all in the next one.
I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice thin. I drop the song, get a few wins. I crave the comfort in my own skin. Really, I just wanna feel the world spin. If I check, watch me double that. I get it lit, I watch it bubble up. Remember opening for shows, no a show, but I pulled through, I muscled up. Now the label one fuck with us. I spend the paper